Computers should work for everyone, and Windows includes powerful tools to make that possible. In this video, we will explore Windows accessibility features, open settings, and go to accessibility to find them all in one place. For those with visual difficulties, the magnifier zooms into any part of the screen, while high contrast themes make text easier to read. Narrator reads aloud what is on screen, describing menus, text, and buttons. If typing is hard, voice typing lets you dictate words simply by speaking. The on-screen keyboard offers an alternative input method using your mouse. For hearing needs, you can enable mono audio and live captions that automatically transcribe spoken words in videos and calls. Sticky keys help those who struggle to press multiple keys at once. You can enlarge the mouse pointer and text size across the whole system for better visibility. Color filters assist people with color blindness. These features are not just for those with disabilities. Anyone can benefit from them. Explore the accessibility settings and discover tools that make your computer more comfortable and welcoming.